Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor, and I'm going to tell you a story about trains, folks far apart, and the magic railroad that brought them together. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas. He's our #1 hero.
Hello!
But he's running a little late today. This is the island of Sodor, where Thomas and his friends live. It's at one end of my special universe.
Hello, James. Morning, Toby. Hey, wait up.
Hello. Good morning. Take care.
I like helping out here. By the invitation of Sir Topham Hatt, of course.
It's Thomas the Tank Engine, hip 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 hooray! Chugga chugga chug 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 chug, be right along the way. And when you hear that whistle, it can only be one train. Our favorite little engine, Thomas is his name. Thomas the Tank Engine, rolling along. All of his friends will be coming along. Thomas, we love you. He's a really useful engine with a heart that's big and strong. He chugga chugga chug chugs, working hard, helping everyone. Thomas, he has lots of friends, and you can be one too. Just clap 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 and sing along. Thomas, we love you. Thomas the Tank Engine, rolling along. All of his friends will be coming along. Thomas, we love you. There's Gordon and Henry, Edward, James and Toby, Penny and Clarabelle, don't forget Percy, Terence and Bertie, Hazel, Doug and Daisy, lots more friends for you. Thomas the Tank Engine, rolling along. All of his friends will be coming along. Thomas, we love you. Thomas, we love you. Thomas, we love you.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Who do we appreciate? Practicing your numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are. What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time. Signed, head of the railway, Sir Topham Hatt.
But you weren't on time, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now, please excuse me. I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a much-needed holiday.
Oh, I think we can take care of ourselves. Get out of my way! I have unfinished business here, and I want to finish it fast! The diesel 10's back!
Yes, 10 out of 10 for devious deeds and brutal strength. The blast from the past who hates steam engines.
Maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here after all. On time.